It can be easy to be in a go mindset all the time, making you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or stressed. There are so many benefits to meditation, which might be why more than 500 million people around the world practice on a regular basis. Meditation techniques can help you reflect, process thoughts, set goals, and find your Zen. Number 1, guided meditation. Are you unsure of where to start? Guided meditation might be for you. Guided meditation involves listening to a guide as you meditate. There's usually calming background music as the guide gives you instructions in a calming voice. There are plenty of great videos, books, and apps like Calm, Headspace, Aura, or Smiling Mind to help you get started. Check out the link in the description for a list of Get Schooled's favorite and free meditation and anxiety reducing apps. Number 2, self-guided meditation. If you're trying to take a break from screens, we recommend practicing meditation without an app. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Set a timer. Start out easy, 1 or 2 minutes, then gradually add more time. Close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Focus on your breathing. Number 3, journaling. Journaling is a great meditative practice. It can help you reflect on your day, process your thoughts and decisions, or even help you set goals. To start, grab a piece of paper and start with a prompt like, today I am feeling, I am thinking about, or things I am grateful for. Let your writing flow and try not to cross out what you've written. When you felt you've written everything on your mind, read back what you've written and reflect. Number 4, movement. Tuning into your body and breath through movement is a great form of meditation. Going for a walk, a run, or even practicing yoga are great movement meditation practices. Plus, getting outside for fresh air is a great way to increase oxygen to the brain. Well, that's it. I hope I've mentioned a meditation technique that's helpful for you. If you're looking for other meditation techniques or ways to clear the mind, be sure to visit getschooled.com.